Hello guys, welcome to our weekly forex analysis. In this weekly forex analysis video, you will learn how to identify the forex market direction. You will learn where to take your trade entries. You will also learn top-down analysis. So let's get started. The first pair we'll be looking at now, we'll be looking at the dollar index. Last week, you can see our weekly level plotted last week is still existing on my chart. So last week, I said I'm expecting the dollar index to break this high, but price failed to break this high after price moved from this area, and later was failed to break this high, so it later retraced back to this daily support level and also a weekly support level. So what we expect this week now? We expect price to resume its uptrend movement again back to this weekly resistance, but first we expect price to break this daily resistance and do a retest. Then we expect price to move to this weekly resistance for the dollar index on the daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart, how the weekly candlestick close. On my weekly chart, you can see that price closed on weekly support level. So long price close on weekly support level, this is an indication that price will be heading higher this week, because support is for area of what buy, while our resistance for area of what to sell. So long price on the support now, so we expect price now to move to this weekly resistance within this week or upper week. So let's go back to our daily chart. So this week we expect the dollar index to move back to this week daily resistance. A break of that daily resistance, we expect price to head to this our weekly resistance, and once price break this weekly resistance, that means we are expecting a major uptrend. So that is my analysis for the dollar index. So let's look at the euro USD. The euro USD, you can see from my chart, we have a higher high, a lower high, and a lower high, which shows that we are currently in downtrend, and this downtrend is an inner structure. So long as an inner structure, we expect price to move down to break the major structure. So what we're expecting for the euro USD this week, we expect price to break this level. Once price break this daily support level, so we expect price to also break this weekly support level this week. So what we're expecting now, we're expecting price moving lower this week for the euro USD, because we have a downtrend structure. So let's look at the weekly chart, how the weekly candlestick close. You can see the weekly candlestick close on weekly resistance level. So long price close on this weekly resistance level, this shows that we are heading lower this week for the euro USD. So let's go back to our daily chart. So on my daily chart now, you can see that we have a price action candlestick set up already on the daily chart now, telling us to what to sell. So we're looking for a sell opportunity on the euro USD this week, which is we'll be selling euro USD with our stop loss above the price action candlestick, and our target will be this area. The first target will be this area, and our second target will be this area. So I'm expecting price to come to this my last level. So euro USD for us this week is a downtrend. So that is my analysis for the euro USD. So the next pair I'll be looking at now, I'll be looking at the Great British Pound USD. Great British Pound USD is still showing this a downtrend from an inner structure also. So long price is showing us a downtrend from an inner structure because we want to trade against the trend of the market. So we'll be looking for a sell opportunity for what? For downtrend for the Great British Pounds this week. So you can see we have a higher high, a lower high, which shows that the price is currently on the downtrend. And you can also see last week we have this weekly resistance here. Price has tested this weekly resistance. That's what leads to this price reversal. So long price failed to break this high and tested this area, also tested this our weekly. You can also see we have a weekly resistance here. So long price tested that particular resistance and failed to break it. So we expect the Great British Pound USD to move to this weekly support level. A break of this support level, we expect price to extend back to this area. So let's look at the weekly chart. On my weekly chart, you can see that price closed on weekly resistance level. These levels are weekly resistance levels. So long price close on this weekly resistance level is a clear indication that we'll be expecting the Great British Pound USD to drop this coming week. So we're expecting Great British Pound USD to move to our first target, which is this support level. Then our second target to be this support level. So look out for sell opportunity on the Great British Pound USD. We can use a sell stop, this sell stop in that area, and your stop loss above the signal candlestick, with our first target at this level and our second target at this weekly support level. So that is my analysis for the Great British Pound USD. So the next pair I'll be looking at now, looking at the Australia USD. You can see that the Australia USD on the daily chart, we have a change in structure already on the Australia USD, which shows that we have a higher high, a lower high, and lower high. We have this change in structure in this level. This is the area of change in world structure. So long we have a change in structure, we'll be expecting the Australia USD to also go down this week. We should be expecting price to move to this our weekly support level. And the break of this weekly support level, we expect price to move to the last weekly support level. So let's look at the weekly charts, how the candlestick close. On my weekly chart, you can see that price close on the resistance level. So long price close on the resistance level, this also shows that the weekly also support the daily. So long price close on the weekly resistance level, this shows that the weekly support the structure of the daily of price going down. So we'll be expecting the Australia USD this week to drop to our weekly support level this week, with our first target this level and the second target this level. So we will looking for a sell opportunity with our sell stop. With our sell stop around this level, then our take profit will be around this area. So that is my analysis for the Australia USD. So the next pair I'll be looking at now, I'll be looking at USDJPY. The USDJPY is currently on what? In a downtrend. Consider we have a higher high, a lower high, lower high, lower high. This shows that we are expecting more downtrend because the major structure of the market is really on what? Downtrend. So let's look at the weekly chart. On my weekly chart, you can see that price converted this support to what? To resistance. So long price converted this support to resistance and price tested this support level. So it shows that we are expecting a retest of this resistance. Then we'll see price heading back lower. So let's go back to our daily chart. So we're looking for a sell opportunity on this weekly level. So I'm first selling from a weekly level. So I'll be looking for a sell opportunity around this area with my price action candle setup to sell to this region. So that is my analysis for USDJPY. So the next pair I'll be looking at now, looking at the gold USD. Gold USD, you can see from my daily chart, you can see the price currently in uptrend. So long we have a uptrend structure, we expect price to see continue to move up, but we expect a retracement back to this level. Then we expect price to continue higher. For my previous week, you can see that price, I said my previous week analysis, if you watch my previous week analysis, I said here is a strong level. So I'm expecting price to break this key level, then we'll see a retest, then we expect gold to continue to buy from this key level. And see that price has break this level now, so we're expecting a buy opportunity from this, from the retest around this weekly support now. Because this area is also a weekly support. Let's go to the weekly chart. On my weekly chart, you can see that this area was the previous resistance, which turned towards support. So we are expecting price to retest this level. Then we'll look at a buy opportunity to the top for gold USD. So we're expecting gold USD to move higher in the coming week. So let's go back to our daily chart. So look at our buy opportunity inside this weekly support level. Look at what buy opportunity for gold USD. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. You can also watch our previous weekly analysis. If you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.